Hey everyone, meteorologist Andrew DePaulo here with Tuesday night's forecast breakdown. An absolutely perfect way to end the spring season. Here's a time lapse from earlier. As the sun rose over 422, we started off with sunny skies, but then a few convective cumulus clouds began to pop up over 422 in the Eastwood Mall, and we still had plenty of sunshine out there, but we did see some clouds throughout the day. And at the moment, on our Window World weather camera, you're starting to see the reflection of the sunset. This is pointing east, sun obviously setting in the west, but still a really nice night no matter where you are across the viewing area. 73 for temperature now at the airport, even warmer towards our southwest, a lot warmer actually. A 90 in St. Louis. How about 118 degrees down towards Phoenix? There has just been this heat dome down to the southwestern portion of the country that has been filtering just warm air, and it just won't stop. Clockwise circulation is pumping in this warm and dry air. A lot of spots have seen 120 plus today, so it has been miserable down there. Back here at home, we're close to 50 degrees from where they are now. How about that? 50 degrees, believe it or not, and we're still in the low to mid 70s in many spots at 822. So a decent night here, but we might see a stray shower that might dampen our mood a little bit, but I do think it'll be isolated at best. Let's zoom out because not too much happening here out locally, but we'll keep a close eye on these showers. Actually, a couple thunderstorms starting to pop up over the lake. We'll see if they stay organized as they make their way down towards the southeast, towards our viewing area. It's all because of this trough of low pressure aloft. That's actually the black line you see there. It's circulating all of this moisture down counterclockwise. And when that happens and actually moves over the lake enhances that cloud coverage. That's what you saw today on our time lapse over in 422. But off towards the south, the second weather story has been the recently named Tropical Storm Cindy. This is currently impacting the Gulf Shore area, and then will continue to impact the southern half of the United States. Many people have been asking, is it going to impact us here at home? And not directly. If anything, it's going to be the remnants of it bringing a little more moisture towards the weekend. But this is going to continue to push up towards the Houston area and then eventually affect the lower Tennessee River valleys and then the Mississippi River valleys as well. At best, when it's a post-tropical cyclone, it's going to maybe skim the southern half of the Buckeye State. If it goes off a little more north, and that's way too north, if it goes a little more north, it might impact the central Ohio regions. We're talking about just a little more moisture in the air. Nothing terrible. We're not going to see just troves and troves of water like we saw the other day, but you know, our 20% chance we have currently might be bumped up to a 40 or 60% chance if that track changes a little bit. But I don't foresee any major impacts from Cindy here locally in the viewing area. 57 degrees tonight, a stray shower possible otherwise partly cloudy skies. We'll keep a close eye on that line off to our northwest. Might see a shower tonight, early morning tomorrow as well, depending on when that low continues to track off towards the northeast. Don't think we see any precipitation after noon tomorrow, but otherwise a partly sunny day, 78 degrees will be the high. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but tomorrow starts summer. And I know you're thinking, well, how is that the bearer of bad news? Summer officially begins Wednesday at 12:34, but after tomorrow we actually lose daylight. Today and tomorrow are actually the longest days of the year, 15 hours and 8 minutes. After that we start to lose daylight, 14 hours by August 10th, and you're seeing 12 hours right here. You're probably thinking, well, that's the equinox, Andrew. It's actually not. 12 hours, so equal daylight, equal night on September 25th. The equinox is actually on September 22nd. It all has to do on the refraction of light as Earth rotates, and it goes from day to night. So pretty interesting stuff. Not a lot of people understand that, and it's a real fun fact to tell people that we don't see exactly 12 hours of daylight and night on the equinox. So summer officially begins tomorrow at 12:34. Like I said, might see a passing showers and storms more likely Thursday afternoon and evening, and then definitely likely throughout the day on Friday. We'll drop temperatures from 85 Thursday to 79 both Friday and Saturday, and then look at Monday and Tuesday. A bit cooler, 73 to 76, but we do start off our week fairly dry, and this weekend will be dry for the most part too, other than a stray shower. We'll see partly to mostly sunny skies. All right, that was a quick check of our forecast. I'll be in for Eric the entirety of the week through Friday, and then of course Saturday and into Sunday. So hopefully you have a great rest of your evening and a first day of summer tomorrow.